A computer system, other hardware devices. In our last video, we learned about computer. What is computer? What are the parts of computer? And now in this video, we are going to learn about other hardware devices of computer. So, other hardware devices are printer, speaker, microphone and joystick. Scanner, light pen, UPS, plotter, pen drive, hard disk and compact disc. These are the other hardware devices of computer system. Now we are going to learn about printer. So what is printer? Printer is an output device. It helps you to take the results on a paper. The results which you get by the help of printer are called printout and it's a hard copy. Now speakers and headphones. What is speaker and what is headphones? These devices are help us to listen to music and sounds. We can hear the music with the help of speaker loudly, and with the help of headphone we hear only about ourselves. Microphone. Microphone used to record the voice with the help of computer. We can record our voice by using microphones with the help of computer. Joystick. So what is joystick? Joystick is an input device. It is used to play games on the computer. When we play video games on computer, we use joystick. And scanner. Scanner is a input device. It is used to scan pictures into the computer. Light pen. Light pen, it is used to select object on the screen. You can directly draw the figures on the screen by using light pen. You can see how the man uses light pen on screen to point out the object and draw the objects. Plotter. Plotter, it is used for taking a large number of printouts on a paper sheet. We saw how printer used to take printouts, but plotter is a large machine. With the comparison of printer, it is used for large amount of printouts on a paper sheet. UPS. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. It is battery backup for a computer. If electricity goes off, it keeps your computer on for some time. It is a power backup of computer. This is a UPS. Pen drive. It is a storage device of computer. It is used to store a very large amount of data. Pen drive is latest device to store the data. It stores large amount of data as compared to CD and floppy. This is a hard disk. It stores all software and data. It is fixed inside the CPU box. This is also a main part of computer. These store large amount of data and fixed in a computer. Portable hard disk drive. A portable hard disk drive is a storage device. Is a small hard drive designed to hold any kind of digital data. See how look PSD. Compact disc. This is a CD. It is a storage device of a computer. It stores large amount of data. But this is only read-only device. Digital versatile disk DVD. It stores large amount of data. DVD can store more data than the CD. Input devices of a computer. Keyboard, mouse, light pen, microphone, scanner, joysticks. These are the input devices. And output devices of computer are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, plotter are the output devices. Now, processing device of a computer. Central Processing Unit CPU is the only processing device of a computer. Storage devices of a computer. Hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD are the storage devices of a computer. Thank you for watching Fun and Learn by Sharvi. Please like, share and subscribe.